Whispering tree, what is this talking machine they call LLM?
It is a large language model, child.
Young Mina sat under a mango tree. She tapped on her glowing tablet, watching words appear like magic. A friendly logo sparkled on the screen. Gmoni, Gen AI Solutions Expert. How does Gmoni know what to say? She wondered aloud. It's just a machine, but it talks like a neighbor. Mina decided to visit the oldest resident of the village to find the answer. Mina walked to the edge of the village where Bargad Dada, the wise banyan tree, lived. His roots were like ancient secrets buried in the earth. Dada, Mina asked, how does Gmoni understand our language? The tree rustled his leaves, a sound like a gentle laugh. Gmoni is a very clever student, Mina, he whispered. It uses a journey of 5 special steps: pieces, patterns, focus, guesses, and sharing. First, Bargad Dada began, Gmoni does tokenization. Imagine I have a big sack of mixed grains. To understand them, I must sort them into small baskets. A long sentence is like that sack. Gmoni breaks it into small pieces called tokens, sometimes whole words, sometimes just bits of them, so they are easier to handle. It turns a big mess of talk into tidy little baskets of information. Next comes embedding, the tree continued. Just as you know, a mango seed belongs with the fruit trees, and a paddy seed belongs in the flooded fields. Gmoni gives every token a meaning. It turns words into numbers that place them in a map of ideas. Words that are similar, like sun and bright, are placed close together in this invisible garden, helping Gmoni understand how things relate. Then Gmoni uses the transformer mechanism, said Bargad Dada. Think of a wise farmer. To decide when to plant, he doesn't just look at one leaf. He uses attention to look at the dark clouds, the dry soil, and the season all at once. Gmoni does the same. It doesn't just look at one word. It looks at all the words in a sentence at the same time to see which ones are the most important. Mina nodded, imagining the farmer. So Gmoni doesn't just read one word at a time? It sees the whole picture? Exactly, Bargad Dada replied. By paying attention to how the words relate to each other, the machine understands the context, just like you know that a bark can come from a dog or a tree, depending on the rest of the story. Now comes prediction, the tree explained. Based on everything it has learned from millions of books, Gmoni calculates what should come next. If I say, the sun rises in thee, your mind immediately finds the most likely word. Gmoni generates a new set of numbers that represent the most probable next seed or token in the sequence to finish the thought. Finally, Bargad Dada swayed, there is response generation. Gmoni takes all those predicted pieces and weaves them back into human language. It's like taking the harvested grain, grinding it into flour, and baking a warm roti to share. It puts the tokens together into a helpful, complete answer that sounds just like a person talking to you. Mina looked at her tablet again. She saw the Gmoni logo and smiled. It didn't seem like a cold box of wires anymore. It felt like a very fast, very organized student who had read every book in the world to help people. So it sorts, maps, attends, guesses, and then speaks, she asked. You've got it, Mina. Gmoni is the expert of those steps, the tree cheered. As the sun set, Mina thanked Bargad Dada. She realized that while Gmoni was clever, it learned from the patterns of humans like her. I'll keep asking questions, Dada, Mina promised. And I'll keep growing, the tree replied. Together, the girl and the tree watched the stars appear, each one a tiny token in the great, beautiful story of the night.
Learn like a student with Gmoni. Complex topics into simple language.